Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So students, in this video we are going to discuss regarding a latest update came from the TSCHE on TSMSET 2020 new dates. Before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the article came today in Namaste Telangana newspaper. In the heading we can see that Rendu రోజుల్లో MSET తేదీలు ప్రకటన. So they are saying that within 2 days the new dates of the MSET 2020 will be released. So in this article they had also said that the education department is doing review to conduct TSMSET in the August second week. But you people don't worry regarding the MSET examination. However, the TSCHE should be conduct the examination after the decreasing of the COVID-19 cases. So once the vaccine is released, there are chances to conduct MSET 2020 examination. If the vaccine is released, then only they will conduct the MSET 2020 examination. And TSCHE chairman T. Papireddy sir said they will be seeing the slots of the JEE mains and JEE advanced and NEET examinations by considering them into the point, and they will decide the dates of the TSMSET 2020. Not only the TSMSET, all the sets of Telangana like TS ESET, TS ISET, TS PG set and all the sets, the dates of this examination will be released together because all the sets of Telangana will be conducted in a sequence. So as mentioned in the above article, within 2 days they are going to release dates of all the sets of Telangana. So we will be waiting for that. So if there is any update, I will be updating on my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. And there is another update regarding the degree admissions 2020. So before, the Telangana degree admissions were scheduled from the 1st of July, but because of these conditions they have postponed this admission process. So the degree admissions will be begin from 15th of this month. So if you want to apply for the degree, you can apply from the DOST website of Telangana. Okay, that's all for this video. We will be meeting in another video. So if you having any doubt, just comment in the comment section and make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. Okay, thanks for watching.